This bird is back. Now he's in my backyard. This morning he was at my front door, literally. Now he's in my backyard. He's been hanging around my house for like a week. Never see him buy houses. Dog is not happy. So this morning this bird was standing in front of my front door. 2 days ago he followed me down the street when I was walking the dog. And then when I came home, he was sitting on my gate. Now he's in my backyard. I don't know, is this a sign or something? Anybody know? Is it normal for this bird to be walking back and forth in your backyard? Dog is not happy. This morning he was literally standing at my front door.